Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GLMR. This is really a very big day for GLMR because finally it has broken out a quite long-term down channel. On a 7-day time frame chart, you can see that it is still trying to break it out. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that we have completely broken out the resistance of this channel. And by the way, since after the month of March, since after 5th of March 2024, the price line was moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, another bounce here. And here we had another bounce, rejection, and finally we have broken out the resistance. And right now, GLMR is trying to break out this resistance of $18.35 that was previously working as a support here and as a support here. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. We got rejection here, here, and here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for GLMR that I shared 3 days ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 15% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, I'm going to begin with my most recent trade signal for GLMR that I shared 3 days ago with my members. And that is a harmonic bullish reversal butterfly move that GLMR formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade signal. It buying on and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from the buying on and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has pumped almost 15% and still not stopping anywhere, still moving to the upside. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of GLMR. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, it was moving inside this channel since after the month of March 2024. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, and another bounce was happening here, another bounce here, and rejection, and finally we have broken out the resistance, and now it is trying to break out this resistance of $18.35. And now if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this channel, that is, by the way, here at the top of the channel, approximately at 60 cents. And here from 55 cents to 64 cents, we will have a very, very strong and long-term resistance on. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that such quite similar channel we formed here from the month of Feb 2023 up till the month of September 2023. The price has been moving inside this channel. And this time, by the way, it was moving from March to September 2023. And after several months, the price finally broke out the resistance, retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up. And we got rejected by this long-term resistance on. That starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. And then the price again bounced from this long-term support of 33 cents and geared up, but could not break down. Despite this long spike to the upside, the price could not break out this resistance on once again and got stuck inside in another down channel. Then we had a big drop. And by the way, previously, this resistance on had been breaking as a resistance on here as well, and here, and before that for a few weeks it had been working as a support. And therefore now, after the breakout from this channel, there is a very high probability that, like the price line did here after the breakout from this previous down channel, it tried to break out this long-term resistance on several times. Same as like that, it can make several attempts to break out this resistance on once again. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.